Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. The purpose of this video isn't to show you a restoration job, it's to show you a dashboard that we've made and door cappings that we've made here at GDK Veneering. So if you're interested in any of these, then give us a call anyway. So this is a Triumph TR6 dashboard. We have got the glove box door, but it's over the other side. It's mainly the finishes that I'm talking about on this. So at GDK Veneering we do a satin finish, which looks like this. And you can see it, that it's only got 30% sheen on it. And for the older vehicles, it looks absolutely gorgeous. So that's the alternative for it being a gloss. The gloss finish, obviously, this is a Roadster, MG Roadster door capping that we've manufactured, and you can see that's the difference. That's bare walnut, but that's a high polished gloss finish. So that's the two differences. We also do an open pore finish, and of course if you wanted it stained to a certain colour or anything like that, then please give us a call and discuss them requirements. Thank you very much for watching. Like I said, absolutely gorgeous satin lacquer, straight off the gun, beautiful. Please click like, share, tell your friends, follow us on YouTube, and bye bye for now, and enjoy the sun. Bye bye.